answer. No.
Good energy. That's what I'm talking about. Now, who want to get up there and do something else that's extemporaneous?
Sean said he got one.
Come on, Siobhan.
Women's Month? Yeah.
Okay, now.
Every month Black History Month. Every month is Women's Month.
Good morning, Tigers. These are your morning announcements with Mia, Dylan, Ramaya,
AJ,
and Roxy. Congratulations to Zion Hill, who's accepted to the Savannah College of Art and Design, Dylan Serrano, who is accepted to Arizona State University with a $48,000 scholarship, the Ohio State University, and Cleveland State University with an $18,000 scholarship. And congratulations to Lonnie Fleming, who was awarded the You Can Count on Me scholarship. Woohoo! Congratulations! And Tigers, that's all for your morning announcements. And always remember, Stivers School for the Arts is where greatness starts.
Places and go. Ankles together. Ha! New change. And out. Knee up. Go. Move. Ha! Get you some fruit or vegetable.
Of 11 correctionists are black because of the war on drugs, because of black incarceration. Most of them are black. You get money based on your population. Since Warren County's the jail is down there, their population has increased. Therefore, Warren County, one of the richest counties in Ohio, they get more money based upon the jail. Who loses out on money? The city of Dayton, where black people are taken out. The city of Cincinnati, where black people are taken out. The city of Columbus, where black people are taken out. They lose money. Systemic racism. We are taking black people out of cities, ruining families, blocking up houses, putting them in jail, some serious, some not. Those counties that have the jails gain in population. They gain in population, they get more money. Does Warren County need more money? Yeah. Does Dayton need more money? Oh, hell yes. You see where I'm going here a little bit? Do you understand what I'm trying to say to you? This is not in the article. You have to see past the crap to see where the problem is. And the problem is that money based on population, but who's getting hurt and who's benefiting from it? I hope you got it. I hope you kind of sort of see it. I hope you dotted, you've dotted some I's here. You connected some dots. None of that's in there. So I walked out of that meeting yesterday when this one teacher said, critical race theory doesn't really happen anymore. BS! It's happening yesterday. It's happening yesterday. A county is benefiting from a population increase because of black incarceration, overly black incarceration. All right, there's three kinds of federalism. There's three kinds of federalism. The first kind, give me my paper back. Slide it down. The first kind of federalism is called dual federalism. So you slide it here. Stop.
When it's rubbed over and over abrasively, it creates this perfect sphere, this pearl that's awe-inspiring. Now, both of those have humble beginnings. A greatness singer, a love of gold, but yet the evolution of that produces two of the most beautiful, outstanding stones in the world. So you have that ability, and I see it every day, and you reinforce the people that are around you by doing what you do well. Am I worried about a couple of you? Yeah. But I believe in you, so I know that you can connect and make it work. Yeah. And gosh, I can only imagine what ambassadors you will be when you walk off to college. And more importantly, every time you walk out that door, you're an ambassador for change, an ambassador for freedom, an ambassador for hope and inspiration. So you serve this community well, and you serve this country better. So good luck to you today. Miss Anderson is not going to join us. She has another appointment. So I just said goodbye to her. She took off. It's 40-some degrees out. It's going to be almost 50 degrees tomorrow. So yippee on that. I'll take it. And then it's going to be steadily in the 40s, I think, next week. All right, those of you who are in a part-time job, educate those that desire to be working here. Part-time jobs are not what they're cracked up to be, darlings. You work like a fool, you get a paycheck, and half of it's, you think, what happened to it? Well, the state took its part. The federal government took its part. The taxes took it. It's like, what? And you go to an interview for a job and it seems magic. You've got to pay me to do this, and all I have to do is wrap up a croissant and hand it to you. I don't think so. Because pretty soon the abuse starts. And when you end up with the abuse, you're probably closing, and you're thinking, why am I closing? There's adults that have been doing this for like 10, 15, 20 years. Why am I using a mop and a broom to clean a restroom? That's not what they told me I was going to do. And it's a reality. You work the days nobody else wants to. You fill in when nobody else can. And they're going to push it as far as you will take it. Has anybody ever had a part-time job like that? Oh yeah. It's not what it's cracked up to be. And you're looking around and thinking, how much of this am I going to take and when's it going to stop? It doesn't. So the saddest part is when you're working along somebody that's 65 and you know it's painful for you, and you're tired and your legs hurt or your brain's shot, and they have to do it. They have to do it. Yeah? Okay, that's why you're here, that's why you're working, that's why you're going to be champions the rest of your life. Good luck. Did I just see Underwall private door? Like it was high. With who? Oh, it was good. Okay. I love you guys.
We love you too.
Love you too.
We love you.